Let us send our robot out into space. Next, we need to make our robot travel in a curve so that it goes round the moon and ends up pointing right back at Earth. The next thing to do is to try and see if we can get it to land safely back on Earth.
There is a new robot project. Your boss wants your opinion by Wednesday in writing. In a case like this, you want to get a quick result in a way that optimises your personal time. Blocky is ideal. So we obtained a Blocky solution like this. This is a Blocky program which gave quite a nice solution to the Around the Moon challenge. However, if we look up here, there's an extra, a very nice extra. If we go to code window, we find the Fusion system has produced a Python equivalent to that Blocky program. Now, and if we go over to this icon here, it will transfer that entire Python program into the Python editor. The advantage of Python is it's a much more versatile programming language, and we can trim the program down quite a lot so that it doesn't impose nearly as much load on the inexpensive central processor that our boss asked us to use. This is our Python program that we want to optimize, and to help things along a bit, I'll add a Blocky program to the left-hand side, because one of the first things we want to do is reduce duplications, and the Blocky program helps us see where the duplications occur. There are 3 forward commands in Blocky and 3 equivalent forward commands in Python. We only need one of those forward commands in Python because we can change the time sleep 1 to time sleep 3 and remove the other 2 Python forward commands. We can do the same with the second repeat of 2 forwards, the same with the third repeat of 2 forwards, and the fourth repeat of 2 forwards as well. If we look at the remaining Python program, we notice one interesting thing. Every command in Blocky always ends with a stop motor command, because the Blocky system doesn't know what's going to happen next, so it always stops the motors. We don't need that in Python, so we can delete those stop motor commands, except the one right at the very end. This is our slimmed down Python program. We've reduced it from an original 51 lines in the Blocky version to 27 lines in our Python version. In the case of a very small program like that, it won't make a lot of difference in runtime, but if you've got a big program, you can imagine that the reduction in runtime would be significant. Thanks for watching.